Are you looking for the best budget EDC, everyday carry gear and gadgets of 2021? This time you'll see a survival kit, mind-blowing knee pads, magnetic wristband, and much more. In this video, we're going to tell you 13 coolest EDC gadgets that are worth buying. Everyday carry gadgets 2021. The last product is something really unique and you definitely want to find out what it is. So make sure to stick around till the end. All the links to the products are given in the description box. Rolling knee pads are designed to spare you painful knee and back aggravation if you work for extended periods of time. The three-wheeled mobile base allows 360 degrees turning capability without lifting from the floor. The device comes with a gel pad and durable plastic outer shell and a strap. Gel pads are designed to evenly displace weight and lessen pressure while fitting the contour of the knee. With the push of a button, you can go from knee blades to knee pads. Besides freeing you from knee and back soreness, this device with wheels will also improve your mobility and speed up job completion. Multifunctional tools are suitable not only for survival, this one might be really useful for small tasks. It combines 17 items, including standard pliers, mini saw, and flathead, along with some other tools that we need on an everyday basis. Among these, you'll find scissors. While having a rest, you can also use the included can and bottle opener. The gadget's constructed from a single piece of steel, which allows a great durability. Despite the numerous features, the tool remains pretty compact and lightweight. Real men can do anything with the right equipment. Now it's time to bring the ultimate dish of everyone's need. No more boring burgers and even patties. With this burger press, you'll achieve a much better taste and look. It's really easy to use. You just put some meat in it, then add any stuffing you like and seal it with meat again. Your burgers can get really big, up to half a pound. The press is equipped with a convenient handle. With a non-stick plastic, every burger will come out safe in its best shape. But you know, the worst part of cooking is cleaning. Not in this case. The gadget is completely dishwasher safe. As a small bonus, you'll also get an ebook with recipes. It's time to take a shot. Well, not literally. Here are some bullet-shaped ceramic shot glasses. Each of them holds up to 2 fluid ounces, but in bullet terms, these are 50 calibers. The shots are suitable for different kinds of hard liquor. Given the compact size, the glasses are easy to store, although to preserve this shiny gold, you'll have to watch them with your hands. Each set includes 2 of these bullets. It turns out that 2 pins can easily replace an entire tool set. These multifunctional pens can perform 8 different tasks, almost everything a man needs on an everyday basis, from a ruler and a bubble level to a bright LED flashlight. In addition, you get both the flathead and Phillips screwdriver along with a stylus for your tablet. The sturdy aluminum body makes sure these pins are built to last. Oh, and a bottle opener is also included. This gadget proves that even repairing may become much more easy and comfortable. This magnetic wristband is filled with 15 strong magnets that allow you to keep all building materials on hand. Get rid of your toolbox and stop wasting time searching for the necessary materials. Moreover, you can be sure you'll not lose any bolts, screws, or bolt nuts while wearing the bracelet. This helpful gadget is a must-have for every house. Here's a great light that stands out with its unusual design and some really smart features. Instead of traditional buttons and wheels, it's activated by a laser. It automatically detects your finger when you put it in the cutout. The lighter's windproof and perfect for outdoor use. It charges with the standard micro USB cable. The LED lights on the front will show you the battery status. There are multiple great colors and finishes to choose from. A certain number of tools may be bulky and take too much space, either in your pocket or wallet. Why not make something minimalistic, functional, and inspired by nature? So here's a set of 6-in-1 tools with awesome animal design that'll be a cool accessory on your keyring and help you to fix things on the go. You know, fix the bike, turn the screw, cut something. There's a tool literally for every case, since it has a number of openers for letters, boxes, and even bottles. The best part is that the device is durable and looks so cool. You can use it as a decoration. This ultimate survival kit will be extremely helpful in your hiking or camping trips. It includes 24 tools covering every need that might arise and every danger that you might face, starting with the basic stuff like a sharp foldable knife, some climbing hooks, and a powerful flashlight. Some tools are more complex. This kit also includes a tactical pen, a wire saw, and so on. All those tools are packaged in a single box. With this thing in your backpack, you are ready for everything. It looks like a stylish, modern accessory with a bright and minimalist look. The hole in the handle ensures a comfortable grip. The knife comes in 3 beautiful colors. Blades are also painted to match the handles, or maybe you'd prefer something much smaller. Here's a set of tiny knives with several sizes and shapes to choose from. The handles are made of pure copper. Despite the ridiculous size, even the smallest of these knives can easily cut through a can. Finally, here are some tiny versions of chef knives. They feature durable stainless steel blades along with sandalwood handles. Each knife is only 1.65 inches long. It's the most compact and smart way to carry 6 different cables in your pocket. The gadget includes 2 USB-C connectors to standard USB, as well as Lightning and micro USB for all your mobile devices. Moreover, you can use a phone or tablet as a power source. You can charge your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds absolutely no limits. The Max version gives you even more freedom with its 5-foot length. Also, the gadget is Kirin compatible, so it's super easy to carry around anywhere you go. Definitely much easier than 6 separate cables. 17 high-quality tools packed in a single metal card that easily fits in your wallet or pocket. So what's this little thing have to offer? First of all, you get a mini knife and a double-edged sword. Then there are a ton of fishing tools, including 2 harpoons and 6 hooks. The card also includes a micro finger drill, 3 sewing needles, and tweezers that are made of stainless steel, which is durable and corrosion resistant. You don't have to keep a ton of tools to stay productive. This universal socket can easily replace the whole set. It attaches to power drills and ratchets wrenches to make your workflow much easier and faster. No more searching for the right socket for each bullet head. This thing suits basically all of them. Moreover, it can grip hexagonal nuts, hooks, and screws of various shapes and sizes. You'll save even more time since the socket is self-adjusting in the range of 1/4 inch to 3/4 of an inch. The torque is over 125 pounds. In addition, the stainless steel construction allows a great durability. The power drill adapter is included in the package. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and I'll be back soon with another video.